Hey going guys, Jeremy here again to teach you another song. Tonight it's going to be the introduction to Lightning Crashes by Live. First off, I want to give a few shout outs or mentions. As Red is their names on Facebook, I'd like to give a shout out to Tanika Kittysaw Cochran, Lauren Lazaro Cause, Peyton Richardson Juliet Delilah, Matthew L. Muffinman Ingledew, Dominic Angelucci, Joanne Broadbent, and Mel Thompson. Right, now that's done, what you want to start with is this kind of E formation here, like this, like that. First finger on the G string, ring finger on the D of the second fret, and middle finger on the A. What you want to do is you just want to strum all the chords down. Like put a slap on it after you do it. Then you want to go to, you want to bar the whole second fret. And you want to go to like a C shape, like that. Alright? And so after you do this, you want to go. Kind of want to make like that, and just hold your fingers gently over the strings to mute them. Like that. So it starts off. Like that. Mute the strings again. You want to go to like a G shape. Like that. Middle finger this time on the G string, pinky on the D, ring on the A. Here we go. Back into the E. There you have it. I'll teach you the chorus when I learn it or when I perfect it. Thanks for watching. Everyone who I mentioned in this video, since I mentioned you in it, share the fucking thing. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace out.